In this episode, we're going to have a look at a Rails 7 application using CSS bundling and ESBuild with JS bundling, and we're going to create a comment system. And our comment system is going to use action text, and when we create a comment, we're then going to be able to see it pop up instantly, and we're going to be able to upvote or downvote on a comment. And of course, clicking on downvote again would cancel out the comment. And not only that, but on a separate browser, we can create comments, those will pop up, and then we can start voting on them and they'll automatically broadcast to the other window. And we'll be doing all of this without using any external libraries except what's provided with Rails and with Hotwire. And there is a bit of setup work, so I will be creating a fresh Rails 7 application and just adding Devise in, but I won't be doing anything fancy with Devise. It's just going to be a basic boilerplate setup. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.